potty time to the minute. And they go to the door and
Play with cameras.
they go to the door and they wait for us to open that door. And if we don't open it fast enough, the old dog, she's 13 years old, she'll start barking. And she will not quit until you open that door. And then both of them go out and do their thing. And then when they finish, well, we go do whatever we're doing. And then when she's finished outside in the other one, she'll sit in front of the door and start barking to get her back in. So we know when she barks what she wants.
Yeah.
Because we see where she's at in the house. And
She's trained you well.
Yes.
and the old one, the female sleeps with her, and the male sleeps with me.
Oh.
And it's all, everything is by the numbers. Everything's by the numbers.
She and I like our own town